Hi friends, today I am going to make a full chicken fry. It is made without oven. Okay, so let's start. Take a cleaned full chicken and mark it with a knife. For marinating the chicken, let's make a masala paste. 1.5 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder and half teaspoon of normal chili powder. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Half tablespoon of pepper powder. Half tablespoon of garam masala. 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Required salt. One tablespoon of lemon juice. Two tablespoons of curd. If the curd is very sour, then take only 1 tablespoon of curd. Mix well and make a fine paste. No need to add water. Marinate the chicken with the paste. Marinate for at least 1 or 2 hours. I kept it for overnight. You can keep it in the fridge, no need to keep it in the freezer. Insert a stick or a skewer or tie the legs of the chicken. Now the marinated chicken is ready to be baked. After the chicken is in room temperature, it is time to bake. I have greased a steel plate with oil, and also I have kept the aluminium parcel box inside the plate. While baking, the excess water and fats will be drained in this box. If the excess water falls on the steel plate directly, it will become smoky. Before keeping this set of plates, preheat the cooker for 5 minutes in high flame. No need to put the washer and whistle. Keep the chicken and bake it for 1.5 hours in medium to low flame. First 15 minutes, keep it in the medium flame. If any part of the chicken touches the cooker, it will become smoky. Now close the lid and keep it in high flame for 10 minutes. After that, apply 1 tablespoon of oil and bake it in medium flame for 1 hour. Check if the chicken is cooked with the fork. The chicken is cooked. Now let's bake it until it becomes a brown color from medium to high flame. You can apply more oil if you want. If you don't want to use the oil, you can skip this step. I also sprinkled some white sesame seeds for decoration. For me, it took 1.5 hours to be baked. Carefully take it out. This much water and fats have been drained from the chicken. The back of the chicken will not be fried, so keep it in a pan and just fry it for 5 minutes. No need to apply oil. Now the backside is also baked. Enjoy! For more details, read the description below. The chicken was awesome. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.